For the duration of the coming 2 hours, we're gonna go through a handout that I prepared for you guys. I hope that you all have access to it. There is a PDF, 11 page, and it is the overall sectioning workflows that are available now in Rhino that we're gonna just do a review of those. And there is a set of 5 or 6 files that is zipped together. These are the models that we will be using as well. And with all honesty, if you don't have access to those, we can always use the file that we will start from scratch, and you can follow through. But if you have them, then that's all the better. To start with, I just want to also mention that I might do a quick review of the workflow for you just to see it once, really quick. And then we go through it together step by step, where you go jump into the model with Rhino. And then any questions, it will be more interactive. This way we can have an overview of the flow uninterrupted. And after that, we'll do it together so you guys know ahead of time what are we aiming to do.